Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the hands-on lab for Azure Traffic Manager. So in this lab session, we'll see the performance routing method. And in this demo session, we will be, creating two storage account and both storage account in a different location. I mean the different region, and then we will be using the static website option in the blob storage, and we will be enabling that option for the static website, and then we will create the Azure blob storage in both the region. So let me go ahead and start create the storage account. So I'm creating the new storage account. So I'm choosing the existing resource group, and this storage account I'll choose so maybe let's leave it with the East US. Okay, and let's leave it with the standard, and the redundancy I'm going to choose LRS, locally redundant, and click next, advanced, and next networking, and I'll just go ahead with the default selection. Let's review and create. Okay, validation passed. Let me just create the storage account. Okay, so in the another tab, let me create the another storage account in the different region. So let me choose the same resource group, and this time let me look for something in the Asia region. So I'll choose Southeast Asia. Okay, Southeast. Okay, and choose the redundancy LRS and click on next, and let's leave it with the default option and review and create. Okay, so I'm creating two different storage account, one in the East US and second one in the Southeast Asia. So the first one which we created in the East US has completed. Let me just open that. So we can see that this storage account created in the East US, and this one it's creating in the Southeast Asia. Okay, so next we'll create the traffic manager profile. So let me just open the traffic manager profile and click on create. Okay, so here enter the traffic manager profile. And now we are going to test with the performance routing method. So let's choose the first one and choose the subscription and choose the resource group. And here there is no option to select the location because it is global resource, and click on create. Okay, so let's wait for the deployment to be completed. Okay, so the traffic manager profile has been created. So next, let's go to the storage account. So I'm going into the Southeast Asia, and here let's go to the static website. You can just scroll down. Under data management, you can see there is a static website. So I'm going to enable this one and enter the index document name. So let me use home.html, and let's click on save. And here we can see that Azure container has been created to host this static website. So let me go on to this $web, and this container will be used to host the website. I have just created the home.html page with this content. This is the Southeast region. So I'm going to upload this into this container. So you can just click on upload and click on upload. Select a file and click on this home and click OK and click on upload. So the upload has been completed. Okay, so now if I go back and copy this endpoint and just open it, I can see that this is the Southeast region, that is the Southeast Asia region. And let me do the same thing for East US region as well. So let me go to the storage accounts and open the East US storage account. And here you can go to the static website, and here let's enable this and type home.html and click on save. Okay, and I just created this home.html. This is the East US region. So let me just go to this $web and upload the file to this container. We just open, click on upload. Now let me just go back and copy this URL and let's open it here. And we can see this. This is the East US region. Okay, so next let me go to the traffic manager and open the traffic manager profile. So here we can go to the configuration under settings, and here since we are using this URL in HTTPS, let's configure the same thing here. So it's going to be 443 and make it to HTTPS and click on save. Okay, so next let's add the endpoints. So click on add, and here let's select external endpoint, and let me put Southeast Asia endpoint, and here let me use the FQDN name belongs to the Southeast region. Let me just remove this HTTPS, and the location going to be Southeast Asia, and click on add. And next, let me add the second endpoint, external endpoint, and this is East US endpoint. And here you can select East US and put the East US endpoint URL here, the FQDN name. Okay, and click on add. Okay, so here we can see that the status become online for both the endpoint. And next, go to the overview, and here we can see that the DNS name. As we know that traffic manager will route the traffic based on the DNS. So let me copy this DNS name and go to the storage account. So this is the East US storage account. Okay, so now we need to add the custom domain. So you can go to the East US storage account, and from here you can navigate to security plus networking and click on networking. And in the older portal, you may see the custom domain option here itself under this pan. And in the latest new portal, we can see that under networking and click on custom domain. And here you can paste the one which we just copied. Okay, and click on save. So let's do the same thing for Southeast Asia storage account as well. So you can go to networking and go to custom domain, and you can put this DNS and click on save. So let me just go to the traffic manager profile, and we can see that the endpoints are online. So let me just copy the DNS name and go to the URL. Make sure you type HTTPS and hit enter. So you can just ignore this warning and click on proceed. And here you can see that the traffic manager forwarded the traffic to this is the southeast region. Since we have configured the performance based traffic manager routing, this is forwarded my request to the southeast region, the storage account that we created. Because if we just go to the latency, let me select the Southeast Asia and East US. And if we compare the latency, let me just refresh. So here we can see that Southeast Asia and East US. So Southeast Asia, we have a lesser, latency, but when compared to East US, we have more in the East US. So that is the reason I'm getting this, page, coming from the Southeast Asia. But in case if I'm closer to that location, I mean the East US, then I'll be getting the East US page. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next.